In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 10 by 250 using the long division method. Now see that 10 is less than 250. That is why we will borrow one zero, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And before this decimal, we will put a 0 here. And again see that this 100 is less than 250. That is why we will again borrow one zero, and for that we need to put a 0 here. Now we know that 250 times 4 is equal to 1000. Subtract, we get 0. As we have got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 10 divided by 250 is equal to 0.04. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.